Question number 24. Monica did an experiment to compare two methods. We do have two methods, method 1 and method 2. Warming an object. Two methods of warming an object. The results are shown in the table below. This is method 1, this is method 2, and then this is the time it takes. Which statement best describe her result? So we gotta be a little bit careful when we try to answer this question or this type of question. When they say the best option, which statement describes this table best? That means you might end up having a couple of choices that are very similar, but among those choices, one of them is gonna describe the table best. So we gotta be able to choose that specific answer. So how do we do that? Well, let's look at the time and then the temperature. That's what we're gonna need to do. So as you can see, the temperature is increasing by 1 from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5. So the increment is by 1 hour. But when it comes to temperature, let's say the first one, it's increasing from 0 to 5 by 5, from 5 to 11 by 6, from 11 to 15 by 4 degree, and then from 15 to that by 4, and then when it comes to 19 to 25 by 6. So as you can see, there are certain discrepancy in this case. 5, 6, 4, 4. So it doesn't look like it is gonna be a linear one based on this one. Let's look at the second one. From 1.5 to 3, it increased by 0.5, and from 3 to 6 by 3, from 6 to 12 by 6, from 12 to 24 by 12, and from 24 to 48 by 24. As you can see, this increment is everything is multiplied by 2. 1.5 times 2 is 3, times 2 is 6, times 2. So it looks like this method is an exponential. But let's see the multiple choice. The temperature using both methods changed at a constant rate. This is out, because as you can see, even method 1 doesn't have a constant rate. The temperature using both methods changed exponentially. This is also out. C says the temperature using method 2 changed at a constant rate. No, it did not change at a constant rate. If it changed at a constant rate, everything would be the same here. But as you can see, 1.5, 3, 6, 12, and 24, they are not the same. I think automatically this leaves us with D, but let's check D. It says the temperature using method 2 changed exponentially. And then this is true, because exponentially is finding a constant term that can be multiplied by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. So in this case, the correct answer would be, or the one that describes it best, would be the exponential function choice D. And it's also important to notice the change. I did that because the change in time is 1, because it was changing by 1 unit, by 1 hour. Okay, and then this completes this problem.